Y'all want to see how I got to this length? But first, I got to take you back to the big chop. So I'm debating whether or not I want to cut my hair back down to a short afro, or whether or not I want to try to regrow my hair at the current stage it is now. This is how I can tell that my hair needs to be cut. See where it's really, really dark and you can't see through? And then the ends are very shallow. It's breakage. So I'm really thinking to go ahead and get my scissors and just cut it off, because if you're trying to regrow your hair, you have to start with your hair being in a healthy state. Matter of fact, here it goes. I am cutting my hair off, y'all. This will be my big chop, 2024 big chop. End of 2023, we usher in healthy hair habits, healthy hair growth. I have cut my hair. I feel better already. I really feel better already. This is rejuvenating. When you know you on a healthy hair journey, you have to get rid of the old. You can't be stagnant and think that your situation is going to improve if you don't do anything to improve it. You can tell it's much thicker, it's much fuller. Now that we done got those straggly broke ends off of our hair, you can see that your hair is much thicker at the base. So for 2024, we're gonna start growing us some healthier hair. That's the goal for this channel. So in order to do that, we removed all the bad, split, broke ends off of our newly TWA, and I feel good about it. And I encourage every lady out there who's going through hair problems, even if your hair has length on it but it's still damaged, go ahead and cut it off. Just go ahead and cut it off. There's other things that you could be doing with your hair, other ways to regrow it rather than hanging on to damaged hair. Now that I cut it, my hair looks healthier already. It went from distressed and just broke to now it looks healthier. Just that fast. Just the miracle of what scissors can do to your hair. All right, so this brings us to the current state that we are now. Lots of deep conditioning, lots of greasing the scalp, lots of moisturizing. So it's been a year. Actually, it's been 11 months and 2 weeks, not exactly a year, because the big chop was done 2023, a few days before Christmas. So we're in December, but we have at least 2 more weeks until Christmas. So I'm just shy of my 1 year hair growth journey. So this is what I've gotten in a year, you might as well say, of growth. Let me give y'all a 360. And yeah, my hair is not styled. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair yet. But yeah, just want to come over here and show y'all the raw truth. This is how much I have gotten in a year. Hopefully my journey will keep going. Hopefully y'all stick around for more updates, more length retention. I'm gonna have to start doing some length retention videos to see what I can use and what I can do and put in my hair to keep the length and keep my elasticity in my hair, to keep my hair strands strong and healthy. At the ends of my hair right now, I do need a trim. So I recommend, if you have chemically treated hair, no relaxer, but you do have split ends like I have, go in and give yourself a trim. That will help your hair continue to grow as well. So maybe that will be my next video. I'll probably just go ahead and trim my own hair. So not knowing what I really want to do right now, but y'all stay tuned to the next video, whichever that may be. Also, I want to get these lines of demarcation taken care of. Since I've been bleaching my hair, I do have trio color hair right now. So maybe the next video will be a root retouch and I can get these roots together. If y'all been with me since day one, y'all stuck around, continue to stay around for more content, more videos, more DIYs, hair growth and routines and regimens, and more alopecia regrowth videos. I am doing the minoxidil 5% women's Rogaine, and I have a video coming for that as well. So y'all stick around so y'all can see how my edges are doing. And hopefully you guys go ahead and thumbs up and like this video. Please share it to other people, and pass on this content to people that you know or may not even know, but can probably benefit for some of the content that I have on my channel. All right, so if y'all have any comments, questions on how my hair journey was for this whole year, some of the products that I have used, then go ahead and drop me a comment down in the comment section below, and I will see you again in my next hair tutorial. Talk to you guys later. Peace.